Okay, language already changed, right?
Already changed. It's
All
always
access home. Okay.
back.
Okay, now I need to language high, low, fast, X. Okay, so I need to go. Don't tell me. Okay. High, low, F.
We need to test the XY 0 point.
So, why don't I have that here? I got high, low, then language, and I got high, low, F fast, L slow. Okay,
Because
X 1000.
machine is home. We need to go back there.
Ah, okay, cool. So we need to set origins now. Okay.
可懂行吗？觉得咱们拍个视频。
课吗？
课
啊？
课，就点儿。
还有加血。
Okay, somewhere in here, like this. Okay, so now we need to set the material thickness.
Yes.
Okay. So I'm gonna hold on to that. And I'm
Wait. Okay, press.
Okay, two together. It's on, off, and menu together. Let it go. So that's set. Material thickness is set. Okay.
Wait. Okay.
Okay, so now I choose to set my speeds to high-low, and
As you said, XY 0 now. See, XY 0.
okay, that's home.
No, XY 0.
That means okay.
There is no need touch.
I'm missing notes here. What else do I do right there? So my notes are not clean. High-low. Okay, so now for travel.
This is no. This is teach you how to use DSP.
Yeah,
But for use program, it's another.
that's just a program. That's okay. Mix that up.
That's learning.
Okay, so I just go to menu. Okay,
Oh, why go menu? Because they have already learned.
machine setup, spindle setup.
Have this have already set.
Okay, so just say okay or cancel. Cancel.
Okay. No. If you want to make a video, okay? Spindle setup, okay?
Okay, so spindle setup. I go to a menu.
When you go back to your factory and you set spindle setup first, and this is next, then machine move. Okay.
Okay, so now to set up my spindle. Okay,
Yeah.
so menu,
Yes.
and then I need to go to machine setup.
Yes.
It's there. Okay, so okay, and then I need to go to spindle setup and say okay, and
Spindle delay.
spindle delay. Okay,
This 10,000.
okay,
Okay. Back.
and delete. Let me cancel.
Yes. Cancel.
Okay, and then I go to pulse equivalence. Okay,
No need because your pulse is correct.
okay.
No need touch.
Okay, so cancel
Go back.
it out. All right, so then I need to go to the travel speed. How to change yellow button. Okay, how to change yellow button. Manual parameters. Wait. Go back to menu, and I need manual parameters.
How do this?
Huh?
What to do this?
I want to go to manual parameters. You set my travel speed.
Now this back.
Okay.
Press cancel.
Again?
Yeah.
Okay, there it is. Manual parameters. Okay. All right. Use delete to change. Okay. So delete, and I want to do 3,000, right?
No, because you go back.
Again? Go cancel again?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is slow. This is slow.
Okay. So,
This is slow.
oh, delete.
Yeah, delete.
Okay.
3,000.
3,000. Okay. Oh. Okay, and then go down.
Oh, no.
Whoa. Okay.
Delete.
Delete. Okay. Got it. Okay. That's good right there. So I hit okay.
Okay, yes.
All right. And then I go down and I do delete and I just do 3,000 again. Okay. Say okay. And then I go to Z and we want to leave that right. So I say delete
Go back.
and that's okay. So I say 1, 2, 0, 0 and say okay. That's a Z slow, right?
Yes.
Okay, you just need to change. Then on, off, and manual control together. Then on,
Go
off.
back because this is, you see, manual parameter.
Okay,
You need to go back to the control phase.
okay. To manual.
Go back.
Go back more.
Yeah, this is the control phase.
Okay, this control face. Okay, and so then I hit on, off, and manual control. On, off equals
This
manual
is you have
control.
already set.
Okay. All right. So.
Why do this? Why do this? Why do this?
Because I got it on my notes here. On, off, manual control. That's what I put down on my notes. F equals stop. S means on. Then I have a max speed. Max spindle speed is S8.
I know. It's just the first day I teach you how to use the machine.
Right.
Because you have already learned.
Mhm.
Just test, okay?
Okay, so cancel or delete?
If you want to let machine move,
Yeah, we want to go to the next step. So we want to do OK button. That's okay then, right? Everything's okay? Okay, so everything okay. And it's a green one. Okay, then copy file from DSP. So I need to go menu again.
as we have already the file in it, okay?
Okay, so I need to select internal file.
Yes, select internal
Okay.
file first. No, this is the menu.
Okay, so select that is in where? Oops. Okay.
Internal file
Okay,
here.
internal file. Got it. Okay. And I go down to DJ test.
Yeah.
Okay. And
And okay.
everything's okay. So just say okay. Okay. Okay, so I hit stop. Okay, and then I move out the way.
Here.
Save.
Okay. Wait.
You want me to change the name?
No need change. Just press OK.
Just press okay. Okay.
Origin. Okay, read the breakpoint read. Press 1, delete and 1. Same
For the next one.
button. 2 buttons together.
Okay, so delete. I need to go back up to here. Delete one.
2 together. Yeah, good.
Okay.
First one.
Okay.
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 Okay, good.
this is okay right there. Okay. Then I do delete one together. And now I hit OK for continue.
No, you do not go to that phase. You know?
So cancel?
Not cancel. This one together.
Okay, I did
Together.
That. I thought I did that.
No, this not
Together? Like that? Oh, there you go. Okay, got it. Okay. All right. Okay. 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 Okay.